Asking family and friends for support is easy. Our most popular method of asking potential supporters to make purchases is via emails. Over 58% of our sales come in through that channel. To enter email addresses, simply click the email icon and add contacts. You can either upload or add manually. Use first name, last name, and choose a greeting, such as Grandma or Auntie A, and enter the email address. As long as your counsel's portion of the program is open for online girl delivery, having this box checked will allow that customer to order products that your Girl Scout can deliver to them. Please keep in mind that payment will be collected at the time the order is placed by the customer. Once you send your emails, you can come back and check the status of that email. Right now, it's been sent, but Auntie A hasn't yet opened her email or made a purchase. If the email bounces for any reason, you can click the triangle that'll appear here for more options as to how to ensure that email gets delivered. Please note that emails could take up to 90 minutes after sending to deliver.